Hi, welcome. I am gonna make a video about the themes. We have created now 16 i3 themes, so I think doubled it or something like that. And I'm gonna make with you number 17, if we like it, right? If it's nice, it can stay, and otherwise we get rid of it. But first, before we make the theme, let's also show you what we've created so far. We have in a few hours, I'll make a package, and then you'll get these themes, i3. Everything that's red is a theme from here till here. Now, there are some special things. There are actually three things to talk about. One is this ArcoLinux Sign. Okay, open with theme, with Atom. Gonna move this guy with Super Shift 2 to Workspace 2. Down here, Workspace 1, Workspace 2. And Control Shift Scroll makes it a little bit bigger. This guy has all the explanations, so lots of text to read and also to figure out and to learn what it is. That every aspect of i3 is colored, and this is colored, and that's colored, that's colored. It's all explained here, right? So in the colors, the part here from the colors up here, all that part is all about the background of your bar. i3 bar colors, variable, border, background, text. So we have here the variable and the background color, the border color. Well, here first is border, then the background, and then the text. So that is making up this look. Now we're using a different kind of look because this is all purple, right? So ArcoLinux Sign theme is the only one with that much explanation. So you go and read that when you're stuck with your code, what it means, what it all means, everything. Now, if I want to see this, I'm gonna go to Super 3, Control Alt E. I'm launching the ArcoLinux tweak tool. And in the theme changer, I can easily have a look at everything that's available. Making images here wouldn't be very constructive because it's very, very small and minimal what we see. It's just these guys and then a border. Often that's it. So you won't be able to see the difference after all. What we are looking for is the Sign guy, right? Apply. Reload your window manager with Super Shift R after you make those changes. Super Shift R. This is Sign. All right. When you log out, Super T, Control T, another Super T. These guys are, that's what is Sign, what it means to be Sign, right? These codes in here, these color codes, will define how it looks as well down here. So what is happening in the end, in the back end, the ArcoLinux tweak tool is a great tool, right? But what we do is also important. So this guy, that particular code that is now red, you see here the red warning, that's one of the tricks. The border is red, that is red, so it means attention, you need to go there, right? The urgent workspace. It's the one that says this is urgent, client urgent. This color from beginning to end, start theming, stop theming, is copy pasted inside i3 because it's a standalone, it's standing there on its own. And i3 only works with a config. So what's happening, and all the way down, maybe I should say something about Atom as well, as you will see colors from time to time. What it's done, it has copy pasted start theming ArcoLinux Sign from here till here in between. So we are copy pasting a part of the code from the start theming to the stop theming inside i3, and then we reload. Super Shift R, we reload, and the i3 config is then activated. So that's what's happening. That's important that you know. This is not the actual theme. This will never be applied. We apply it because of the tool. We say here, let's take var ashes, apply. We copy paste the code from var ashes, and var stands for variables. All right, let's have a look. It's red. Nothing is happening, right? Thing is broken. No, it's not broken. It's red here. So click on the red thing. This guy, var ashes, has a variable. This is a variable. Base 03 is gray, and this guy is more purplish guy, and everything is now defined with a variable except that one, client urgent, right? So that's what a var means in our naming here, ArcoLinux var. So it's a little bit more difficult because of the fact that you have to think, right? Base 5, I have to look up. Okay, that's gray. And this one, that's which one is that one? It's OD. It's going to be that one. You see, that's another way how to create a theme. And you'll find themes just like that. And you can copy paste it in here, but rename it. So make a new theme. But we need to have data from starting from the colors till stopping with the client background, stop theming. So it needs to fit into the config, the way we see it, the way we use it. So ArcoLinux var ashes, you are wondering probably how does that look? So var ashes, first apply. So now it's copy pasted in i3 config, then really reload, super shift R, you could say apply again, right? And this is this look. Super X, Super T, another Super T, right? So that's the advantage of having the themes separately. We can make these guys as much as we want. I just doubled, I think, the numbers, and it's not that long that it takes, and it's creative, right? It's fun changing colors. So we have Sign, that's the guy with all the text, right? Sign provides you with a lot of information. Here we are. This is more text. This is coming straight from i3.org. You can read it there as well. Okay, copy paste i3.org. But now I have something in, because after 6 months or so, and you're working back in i3, you're wondering again what was what again, right? Now I don't have to figure it out. It's set here. Then, so we choose from here the vars we've had, the sign we've had, and then there are others without var, like fire dust, apply. So it has to become an habit, right? Select an AT&T, super shift R, gone. We have now the other one. It's a red one, it seems. Super X, yep. Super T, definitely red one. So it's that easy to change and select. Don't think I forgot anything, so we could go for a new theme. How do you create a new theme? And then we also go for Atom. So I advise you, well, create a new theme. We should close ATT, so ArcoLinux tweak tool, because it needs to load up my new theme that I want to create, right? So super Q, killing a few things, and this one, well, let's start again afresh, right? So we have i3 config. In no time you'll have this as well on your computer. What do you do then? Then you have the ArcoLinux default theme. I would start with that. So Control C, Control V. Start by thinking of a name. ArcoLinux default. ArcoLinux, I don't know, a name. Mordor, right? I think you know why I took that one. ArcoLinux Mordor. All right. So we have a theme. Let's apply the theme. Eric, you didn't change anything. Well, doesn't matter. we are going for a workflow. Theme changer, look for mordor. There he is. Apply mordor, Super Shift R. Of course, it's the same as the default, right? So ArcoLinux mordor is still the default, but that's okay. Now I'm gonna edit it. So mordor's here, double click. Don't need this to the left, Super Q. And actually, I don't know if I've the screen git bit, what was it called again? String key or something? Let me look it up. All right, I installed myself screen key git, which allows me to do opening of mordor. That's first thing, open atom. Then I can close this one, Super Q. Wrong thing I've closed. So what's active is going to be closed. What's blue is going to be closed, right? So I want this to close. This I need to activate it all the time. So apply, I'm going to apply it all the time. This guy is mordor, but this is still the default mordor. I have installed in settings view, install packages and themes. I went and just punched pigments and I said install it. So we have these blue things, blue buttons. So pigments, install it, minimap, pigments, install it, and also minimap itself, also an interesting one, install it. Now the other one I've installed, which is also necessary, I look up color picker. And the one that's working for me is the one from Thomas Lindstrom. So color picker 2.3.0, right click or press Command Shift C 2 million times, and this one is working. I've tried others that were not working, right? So when you're watching this video, maybe you need to find another color picker, but at this point in time, that one is working. Okay, why is it important? Pigments shows us all these colors, otherwise we don't have the colors. And the other guy is showing us right mouse click and then color picker, and actually choose from here, and with an enter the code is in there. So that's interesting. Now I'm going from top to bottom. The background I3 bar colors, so everything on the bar. This guy up here, backgrounds dark. Okay, color picker, I can make it a little bit lighter. Okay, enter. Control save. I would recommend you do that step by step. So control save means this is now saved, not loaded. I load it with this guy. This code is gonna copy paste it over in i3 config, right? Super Shift R, reload. It's a little bit changed. If you're not seeing it, I can convince you with FF0000, which is gonna give, yep, red, right? So Control S, workflow, apply, Super Shift R. Okay, everybody is agreeing. No, that's gonna be the color red. So that's how you do it. Figure it out with a color that's really obnoxious. Now that stands out. Simple as that. So it's something gray. The status line is this white thing. Let's first do a super save, apply, Super Shift R. Okay, now we can do it a little bit quicker. So this one is defined, that one is defined. If this is not white enough, you go for FFFF, all Fs. Okay? I think it's okay. The separator, there is something small in between here. Don't want a separator? Just say, don't want a separator, right? Or choose the same color as the background. You won't see it. Possible too. Or, let's try it out, color picker. Why not something whiter so we actually see it? Okay, save, apply, Control Shift R. The line becomes more and more apparent between these elements. Okay, got it. Focused workspace. Let's do a super F2. we put something in here, and we're gonna take again a look. So the one that's focused is bright, and the dark one is the one that's not focused. Agreed? Maybe that feels strange to you. Maybe you'd like to have it around. Black is the one that should be focused, and the not active should the one be gray. So what you're saying is the background of the active workspace should be black, right? So you want to have this. Yeah, cool. And this guy, Control C in here. Am I doing it right? Think so. And this one up here. So everything that's focused or active is black in background, and the inactive guys is gray. Well, fine, let's try it out. Control S, apply, Super Shift R. Aha, now the one that's really focused is black. Maybe you like that better. It's all up to you. It's your feeling. Yeah, what else could we do? We can change the fonts here. So, border, background, text. Border is a small border around here. The background that is active, the focused one, is black. We could make the text red. We could make the text yellow. And when it's not focused, we could give it another color. It's up to us, right? It's really up to us. So, color picker. What if we went for something orange? I really like orange. That's my problem. If I want to choose a color, I'll probably choose red, yellow, and orange. So, Control S, right? Then apply, then Super Shift R, then have a look. What did I change? Nothing. We are still in Mordor. This is Mordor, and I changed the urgent workspace. Okay, my mistake. So I've changed this guy. That's the guy I've changed, which is not bad, but no, not nice. Well, it's a personal choice, not that bad. So let's keep it. What I wanted to change was something else. So Control C, the orange can stay, but we were thinking about the numbers here, right? So this one, the active, the focused workspace, that text. You have 16 million colors to choose from. That's a problem. Now it's this orange. Not that bad. What if I made also the border then orange? Then it really will stand out. That's not what I want. Control C. Border as well, orange. And one space less. Save. And then apply, Super Shift R. Aha, nice. Now I'm starting to like it. This I don't know, this one. I don't know, this one. If I like that one. Go away. Conky. Go away, Conky. Oh, sorry. Super C, right? It looks like golden, right? It looks really nice. But then the blue border is not going along with that. So, blue, you're bad. You're out of here, blue. I'm probably gonna make again an orange version. I'm so addicted to orange, obviously. Background, what am I doing? Background, Let's do it one by one. Okay, so save. One by one, I said. Save, still blue. Okay, apply, Super Shift R. We have this, and we have a border, client focused border. Okay, so up here we have a border. Show clashes with the blue. So let's take that one as well. as orange, background orange, indicator orange. Those go all together. Save. That's gonna improve things. Apply, Super Shift R. Aha, there we go again. I've created another orange theme. All right. This is active, this isn't. This is active, this isn't. This workspace active, this isn't. Now it is. So that's the point of making all these things. And the Super T is the tab. So the text up here is this time, you can read it. It's a little bit the soft side here, right? So that when you're focused, it's going to be this text. We shall see FF, FF, FF. So that's white. That's going to be fierce white. Super Shift R, Super T, Super, and oh, it's better. Eh? You see it already. Super T, and that's cool. Right? And that's it, guys. That's how you do it. Super X, we get this thing here. We're not that happy with the urgent workspace. This guy, the border of, no, not that guy. Where are you? Client urgent. That's gonna be urgent workspace. Huh? Super X. Super X, Super X, Super X, Super X. I'm thinking, what else could we do? Let's see if everything is applied. So Control S, apply, Super Shift R. So that's the way it looks now. That's what we've created, and that's Mordor for you. Another theme. I should change the name. Mordor. Right. And it's still a work in progress, and it's still up to you to decide whether you like all these colors or not. Background red, yeah. Okay, let's not waste any more time. So I think that's going to help to create your own. Now what you do is you actually create your own. I mean, when you do a scale, you're overwriting the i3 themes. Our i3 themes that we restyled, rechanged, we overwrite them with a scale, right? So you're going to rename ArcoLinux Mordor to ArcoLinux Eric, for example, and I won't have an ArcoLinux Eric, so I won't overwrite it. So that's what you need to do to stay safe and have your own theme always, is create a unique name that I can't even guess. And it won't be overwritten, simple as that. It will always use the word ArcoLinux. So don't use that, that's simple. There was a little text in here. I saw something, Super X. So Control T, okay, everything looks good. The themes, if you were wondering why this color is so strange, right? A day ago, I created lots and lots and lots of these termite themes, and I'm having fun with them. So that's this look, and so much more. And in i3 we have also a Alt Shift U. Oh my god, what's that? Well, an Alt Shift N. That's another wallpaper, but Pywall is always changing the colors as well. So a pink background means also a pinkish terminal. Well, that's Pywall for you. That's on most of our desktops with a Alt Shift and then next. That's variety and Pywall with you. So it's fun, right? At some point in time you've seen enough, but it's fun to play around with these settings as well. All right, have fun with the creation of your own i3.